Hello, today I'm going to tell you about the velvet ant. Despite its name, it isn't actually an ant, it's actually a wasp. Its scientific name is Mutellidae. The velvet ant lives all around the world. It is found in open, sunny areas, non-shaded patches of forests, gardens, pastures, and deserts, basically all around. Velvet ants are little creatures ranging from 11 to 13 millimeters. They come in many different colors, including orange, black, white, and silver. Their bright colors serve as aposematic signals, which basically means that they're used to intimidate. Their name, velvet ant, comes from the hairs on their back looking like velvet. Velvet ants eat nectar from things like flowers. They are solitary. Males have wings, but don't have any stingers. The females don't have wings, but they do have a huge stinger. In fact, they have the largest stinger to body ratio of any insect. Velvet ants are active during the day and don't avoid light, but sometimes they only come out during certain temperatures, which only occur after sunset. After mating with a male, females search for something like a wasp nest or a ground bee nest. They enter the nest and lay one egg next to a larvae or pupae. The egg soon hatches and eats into the larvae or pupae. The host may be alive for about a week until the velvet ant larva is done with it and emerges from its now deceased host. This is very peculiar, not because they're parasitic. There are many wasps which parasitize other animals. They are one of the few wasps which are known to parasitize other wasps. But how do they do this? How do they sneak into other wasp nests without being assaulted? Velvet ants are extremely intimidating. They have lots of bright hairs on their back acting as a defense, and intimidating other animals showing that they're dangerous. As previously mentioned, they also have very thick and strong armor. Apparently, it takes 11 times the amount of force to crush a velvet ant than a bee. If that wasn't enough, they have a huge stinger, which can be used for defense. When they think they're in danger, they start squeaking to intimidate attackers. Here's a video showing that. The velvet ant is able to go into wasp nests because it's very intimidating and has incredible defense. Really nothing wants to mess with it. In fact, a test showed that basically all predators, including lizards, birds, and frogs, that had encounters with velvet ants avoided them. The velvet ant's sting is supposedly to be extremely painful. On the Schmidt Pain Index, it ranks a 3 out of 4. The pain is supposed to last for an incredible 30 minutes. Velvet ants do this really cool thing called mimicry rings. A mimicry ring is an area of land where two or more different species, in this case the velvet ant, evolve to look the same. This can have many potential benefits, including camouflage, mimicking dangerous animals so they seem dangerous, and, in this case, looking similar so predators don't attack them. These mimicry rings can be found wherever there are velvet ants. In this map of North America, you can see many different mimicry rings, all in their respective rings looking similar. So that's my video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it interesting. Like and subscribe, or don't.